This is what's happening around camp, and then we're going to go explore Prairie Creek Road. See how you like that campground. Stay tuned. Here it comes. Well, that's what it says. But there's only a few that are. But everybody comes down here and they stay down here because nobody can afford to live in Sun Valley and work around here. So they put their little units around there. Luckily they're homeless, I guess. Homeless with a home. I don't know how you call it, what you call that. They're workers. But we're staying in, I think it's 1A. And I wanted to tell you, we'll go up and get a picture later. Right across the road there is where the Boy Scout camp is, back up in there. And then right down the road, right over there, about where that hill is. You see that hill there? Right in there, there's a natural hot springs. We could go soak in that, but Vickie forgot her bathing suit, so I'm going to make her skinny dip. You think that'll work? Probably not. Anyway, we're going to walk back to the campground now. Well, Hank just told me I was wrong. He said there's 1A. He's smarter than me. Here's 2A. We're in 2A, right there. And we got shade in the afternoon. In the morning, we'll have a little shade right off the bat, but I should be able to get the solar system out. And then we'll be in shade in the afternoon. I mean, that's good. We got the solar, I had to move the solar system over here. It is in the shade at this moment, but you can see it's almost in the sun there again, and it will be. It's a halfway in it now, but I think it's still putting out some pretty good amperage. Let's go check it out, see what the volts is we're putting out. I guess I could have left it right there. There's a peak, but I knew this was going to be, I moved it over here just a minute ago because it is getting shady, like I said. Let's see what we're putting out here. And you can see there's just a piece of it that's in the sun. Just a piece. Let's see what we're putting out. 13.1 volts. That's enough to keep I don't know what he's looking at under there. Maybe he hears the electricity. I don't know. See him under there looking at something. What are you looking at, Hank? Still warm today, but with that breeze, it's nice. It's nice. Can you hear the water? You know, it's just beautiful here. But the prettiest part about it is this.
Go there.
Oh, come on.
Go away.
The wind has got her. She don't want me to look at her. Let's see what we got going on here. We got our little bug thing.
It keeps blowing out.
Oh, there she blew out again.
I know. I've had to light it 3 times.
Well, quit blowing on it. I'll light it again. The thing is, the wick was way down there, so I took a piece of rope and shoved it in there. I sprayed it down with some WD-40, believe it or not. Shoved it down there, lit it, and it's been working great. But with the wind blowing, well, light it again, and we'll put it someplace where the wind don't shine. Blow.
It's a double-edged sword because
Tell me.
if the wind blows, it keeps the bugs away.
Yes.
But it also burns out our candle thing
You're so cute
to
today.
keep the bugs away.
You're just cute today.
Go away.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Well, we got Hank out here. He's doing his own thing this morning. I'm just sitting here having my cup of coffee. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. No clouds in the sky, as you can see. Solar system is working great. That's working great. As soon as you figure out where to put it. Anyway, well, day 2. Well, we're checking things out for sturgeons, you know. Got your 10 minutes there. Grab your coffee now. So far, we got a water leak. Don't know where. Just happened this morning. I don't even know if it's still doing it. It's intermittent, I guess. We got to chase that down. But the worst thing is, refrigerator quit. It don't work on electricity. It quit that back home, so we just started using gas. So now it won't stay lit on gas. And before you ask, yeah, I've checked the gas. We have gas. We do. So it ain't that. Hey, hang on there. I don't know. Probably the board, because I did check the board in the refrigerator electronic board, and that's where the electricity is not going through that. So maybe it's gone all the way out and won't even let the gas light. So I guess we'll have to replace that. But Vickie says if we go to Sturgis, she doesn't really need that refrigerator because we didn't keep much food in it anyway. Because we eat out all the time. We'll just make do because we can't afford to fix it and then go to Sturgis. I mean, you know, the boards are not cheap. They're over $100. Who knows how much this is going to be? Probably a lot. And if the refrigerator's bad, then you just threw your $100 away for the board. I don't know what we're going to do today, but hang in here. We're going to go explore there's a road. I want to take the Jeep up now that we got a Jeep. Also I'm going to go show you that free place to go hot springs. It's just a little hole in the ground, really. And once you get in, it's clear, really clear. You can see the bottom and everything. Oh, it ain't much bigger than a big jacuzzi tub. Problem is, as soon as you get in it, it's so full of silt in the bottom of it that it just turns into kind of mud. And a lot of people use it. There was people up there last night bathing in it. So what I wanted to say is if you're coming through this area on your motorcycle and you're tent camping and you need a place to take a shower, bath, whatever, that's a nice place to go. The water refreshes itself, but not fast enough to keep the silt out. But a lot of people, you can come right across the road here, throw your tent up, park your bike, whatever, get all set up, then you can go right across the street to the deal, get cleaned up, freshened up. Good place to stop. Tent camping or even in your RV, it's a good place to stop. So I'm gonna actually cook some breakfast, I think, and then we're gonna get going. So stay tuned here, guys. Well, you guys are not gonna be able to see it with this camera, but that whole mountain right up the top there, about right there, all the way down, is covered in sheep. Now I think we figured out that that's why this guy over here, I think, is a sheep herder, because he had some cattle dogs, sheep dogs, they would be the same, we heard a lot of barking last night, so we're assuming that those sheep, I'm going to try to zoom in here, but I don't know if we can get it, them dogs are probably guarding them sheep from coyotes, because there's a lot of barking going on, and it seemed like it was a ways away. But we camped up here probably 8 times at least. Never seen that. Now there is mountain sheep they call them, I guess, up on them mountains there, right up here. And they got a visitor center, or a pullout anyway, right behind me with the big old binoculars. You can look at them up there. But that was fun. I found that interesting, guys. Just a sheep herder camp over there next to us, and that's why they're here. They're taking care of their flock. Pretty cool. I won't show you Vickie, she just got out of bed. Hey guys, you ever come up into Idaho, stop at a ranger station and pick up these maps. You can pick them up, and this one's for where we are now. It's upside down, I know, but they are very detailed, as you can see, and they show every road you can go, like if you got a Jeep or four-wheeler, or just a four-wheel drive. Now I want to this one's broad, okay, showing everything. I'm going to flip it over in a minute. Okay, so we came up here on 75 right there, and we've came all the way up, and I believe we are Where did I figure we were? We're about in here somewhere. I think right here. I think Prairie Creek is just down the road from us. We're in this area here. So we're gonna go explore some of these roads right here. And I'm gonna flip it over now and show you. This is more, sorry about all that. This is more of a detail, okay? Now, see, we've come by the Wood River. We did that. We came by easily. That's a great place. They got a pay hot springs there, but it's clean. It's nice. We were going to go there, but the wife forgot her bathing suit, so she don't want a skinny dip. Anyway, you go past. We went past there. That's a nice little campground there too. We're all the way up here. Matter of fact, this is. That's what we're going to do. Is we're going to go explore some of these roads today. So we know we're up this way, past Easley. We're up here somewhere. I just got to find the rest of that part. But go get you a map. They're pretty interesting. They'll show you where we're going. As soon as I figure out where I'm going, I'll show you. Right down there is Prairie Creek Road, 178 or 79. It's marked, the Prairie Creek Road. It's campground. There's a trailhead up that way. But this is one of the typical campgrounds down here. Now, there's nobody here. You get here on a Monday, you're okay. You get here on a weekend and you're going to have to fight for one of these spots. But this is your typical spot. You could come in here with a small rig, maybe even a big rig. Pull it right up here and you're in the middle of the trees. No noise here. No highway noise. I don't know if Vickie wants to move to one of these spots or not. Probably no mosquitoes up here either. If she wants to move, man, we'll just, it ain't even half a mile away. But you're going to get trees here, not mountain views. So I just wanted to show you, this is Prairie Creek Campground. I look at, hang on, I got the map right here. Let me look at it. Let's see what it says. I think it's only 178, which is, we're at 177. Let's see what we got. Because you guys coming up here, you don't want to miss this stuff. You don't want to miss this. It's a great area up here. Okay, we are at 177 there. This must be, 179. 178 is on the other side of this. Is 179, and it goes up here to the Prairie Creek trailhead. That's, can't take your vehicle up there, but you dang sure can hike. That's for sure. That's where we are, right about here. We just barely pulled in here. But there you go. That's that. We're at another campsite just across the main highway, 75. This is on the same side as Billy's Bridge is. But right down here, I think you can get right to the water. We're up quite a ways away from the water. You know why we're camped there. Vickie wanted to. But I think we could go camp right here and you could get down to the water if you wanted to. Good fishing here, guys. Good fishing here. Yeah, we could get right down to the water here. Let's see if Hank's thirsty. You want to go down there? Go ahead. I don't know if he knows how to drink out of that kind of water. Let's see. Oh, yeah. He's waiting. Nope. Doesn't know how to drink out of it. Thinks that's just a wading pool. But it's running pretty good today. But you can catch some really good fish in there. Another good spot to camp right across. Lots of spots up here. And hoping to bring Charlie and Cassandra up here. There's already somebody over there. But like I said, a lot of people just bring their rigs up here, and they ain't supposed to, but they leave them up here. They ain't supposed to. And but a lot of them work. Like the sheep herder back there and all. Anyway, good spot. This would be highway, this would be the 178 Forest Road. Why didn't you get a drink? That is drinkable water for you. Lots more exploring to go. Lots of roads up there that are beautiful. A lot of beautiful scenery. Gonna find an old cabin. Stay tuned. You're gonna like what's coming up next.